name is Sanjeev Kumar. We call it DOIN GCA Pawn. And these two companies operate in two countries, primarily in US and also in India. So we handle, I personally handle both the markets from C-level perspective. Now, the structure of the company is we are doing a lot of work in US. We are based out of myself, and I spend about 4-5 months every year in US. I sit in East Coast near Washington DC. My colleague, he sits in San Jose area. So we handle entire, West Coast and East Coast US. In India, we are headquartered in Pune. We do a lot of work in area of security service, IT security. I mean, entire stack, be it network security, database security, application, web application, mobile application, cloud, even device configuration, security strategy of each and every company, IT strategy of company. We do a lot of consulting, advisory, security related stuff. We have skill set people working with us. We have one of the best tools available with us. So combining these two, we deliver one of the best results. We see a lot of things, from inside and also from outside. When we do advisory to different company, India and US, we connect existing CIO, CISO to the board. With the main issue, what people feel at that level, how to connect with the board, business people, their tier level. So we help them connect to the board. We understand the requirement from business perspective. We see mission, vision, goal of the respective business, and we try to align the entire IT strategy with that. And internally, we have full agility in terms of cloud, mobility, work from anywhere, connect anytime with anyone. That's our, because our entire workforce is all across. Here the role is more towards 80% to people outside, 20% internal, and here we get variety. Suppose I like doing certain thing, I will pick only those. My colleague, he likes doing certain thing, he'll pick those. Unlike if you're sitting in one company doing just one type of job, then it becomes monotonous. This gives us a very different kind of vibrant environment within DOIN GCA Pawn. We brought mobile application, we brought cloud deployment, right? We have one of the best tools for collaboration. So unless we are all connected all the time, like we are sitting across each other, it's very difficult. So when we started DOIN GCA Pawn, we brought all this in place, and then we onboarded people. So it's like other way. I mean, it's not like you do something and then think about IT. Our entire project is monitored on cloud. Customer service is monitored on cloud. So we use a lot of desktop, mobile application, tab application. Right? So even the testing we do, which is done for different companies, we do it from outside. We use from a very top high-end to even for SMB, a small innovative tool. We use entire. So the entire range, starting from Burpsuite, Nessus. We have big range of tools and techniques available with us. So those are used to identify if there is any issue with the setup. And then we also apply manual, which is called ethical hacking technique, to filter out how many of them are really relevant for the organization, how many of them are not really relevant, So we do a lot of, combination of, the manual plus automated. The area is completely agnostic to, right? So sometimes you get from finance, insurance, sometimes you get from engineering companies, and it is in US all state government, kind of. So it's it's a mixed basket, what we get. Rhode Island, US, they have a big setup for entire county, and they wanted us to review security strategy. Like in India, people talk about security, but generally when it comes to investing, they shirk. But there, it's very serious affair. If they want to do something, they want to make security as a prime mover to the whole thing. There are companies to compete, but your people are there with us, and they have seen the experience, capability, skill set. They engaged us for it's a long-term engagement. We have had. We assessed, we architected, we created strategy. We also implemented that. In India, we have done 2, 3 assignments very recently. We are all experienced people. So we we have our own network, very big and strong network. So, and then kind of work we do with people. So you get one particular client, you do something, and then through references, we get more. Just like that website, many things we write, we drop emails and all. We have all those, but primarily the network and word of mouth, references. These three are working very efficiently for us. Today, if you talk to a person who is selling a product, he will talk about that product. If the person who is selling a service, he will talk about the service, right? What he's selling. So he has or she has something in hand, and he or she is talking about it, right? But we don't do that. We talk to the board, C-level people. We understand what exactly is their predicament, and then we craft a solution, whether it is a service, product, or in combination of these two. That is the biggest strength we have. While doing work, starting from operational technology, say SCADA, PLC, to network, devices, cloud, mobile, web app, entire gamut of security, we have realized, that why not have a very intelligent tool that will help, us in detecting those in real time, so that action can be initiated. So we are in process of devising something in that area, and we want to come out with this kind of solution that will make the entire thing very easy. Today it looks very complicated because you have those heavy tools. We have to fire those tools. Then the result of those tools are very lengthy. So one has to read and then interpret each and every line. So why not get those results? Try it out. It's like perpetual machine learning. So we are working on that as of now to come out with something where expertise, capability of tool, and also the experience which we have collected in database, that is combined, and the result can be taken out.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.